Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 4 of Rakshabandhan series that is going on my channel. And today we are going to be tackling our beautiful hair. And just because my hair are actually behaving really good ever since I started using the Freewill shampoo and serum. By the way, I did a full review and honest review of the Freewill range that I've been using since 3 months. You can check that video out. I will leave the link in the description box below, or you can find it in the iCards right now. But let's talk about today's video. Today, I'm going to be sharing my hair mask that I've been doing ever since I shifted back to Lucknow. And this is actually a recipe that my mom passed it on. Actually, her mom passed it on to her and she passed it on to me, and it has been really helpful. I have seen a visible difference in my hair and I'm going to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But wait, सब्सक्राइब कर देना जाने से पहले, ओके? क्योंकि 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स होते ही यहाँ पे होने वाला है एक बहुत बड़ा सा गिव अवे, सो आप उसको मिस नहीं करना चाहोगे. प्लीज एक सेकेंड लगता है ना, सब्सक्राइब बटन दबा दो और उसके बाद वीडियो देख लो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो.
Now start by untangling your hair. Now you can clearly see how oily my hair is, and please excuse the grumpy face. I was not in a good mood, I suppose, that day. So I'm using this old iron container because it helps oxidize the henna. So I'll be using regular henna. Suddenly, in the start of this year, I was obsessed with coloring my hair, and my hair condition was not so good that would allow me to use the chemical hair colors, but I any which ways did that, and it took a toll on my hair. So I shifted to natural henna powder, which has antifungal and antimicrobial properties, and it helps hydrating, conditioning, and repairing the hair. The next ingredient that I'm going to be using is the Alps Goodness Sandalwood powder, which helps stimulate hair growth and also fights premature graying or dullness of your hair. Oh my god. God bless you, Arushi. Anyways, let's continue. By the way, I really love the smell that it leaves on my hair. It's so natural. The next ingredient that I'm going to be using is the Bring Raj powder. Now it is also good for nourishing your hair and promoting hair growth, strengthening hair follicles and preventing hair fall. By the way, these all are available online. I bought it all from purple.com and I will be sure to leave a link to all of them in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Now I'm adding a little bit of coffee powder, the regular coffee powder that we use at our home, and I just wanted to get some coffee color in my hair, that's why I'm using it. And it is also good for nourishing your hair. The coffee has its own benefits. Now I like to concentrate more on the hair roots than the ends, and I make a thick paste out of it, and I decided to leave it for 1.5 hours, and after that I washed my hair and then I applied some serum from Freewill. I've been using this serum for the past 3 months, and the best thing about this serum is that it helps me detangle my hair so easily, and it leaves this shine in my hair that I'm in love with. You'll just see in a minute. And I will leave my hair for air drying. I generally do not use any hair equipments for drying or straightening my hair. I really love the natural waves that my hair has. Now you can clearly see the shine and the volume and how nourished my hair looks. Trust me, these were not the hair condition when I arrived in Lucknow. but now I'm in love with my hair. It feels so soft after applying this hair mask. I feel like I'm just out of the spa.
So I hope you liked the video and hope this hair mask is helpful to you guys also. जैसे कि इसने मेरे बालों को nourishment दिया, आपके बालों को भी ये nourishment दे. So with that thought, I will see you in tomorrow's video now. That is going to be the final episode of this Rakshabandhan series, and I am really thankful for all the support that you have given me during this Rakshabandhan series, and a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Hope all the DIYs that I shared from right from episode 1 to episode 4 and कल वाली भी जो आने वाली है, that will be helpful for you. And yeah, if you decide to recreate any of these DIYs, please be sure to click a picture and share it with me on Instagram. The handle is right now on the screen, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.